Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a recurring decimal to fraction using your calculator. Step number 1, write down the problem. Let's say we have 0.33333333 recurring. Step number one, you just type it into the calculator. 0.33333333 recurring. Type it into the calculator as many trees as you can. Step number 2, you press the equal sign and you should still get your answer in decimal. Without pressing any button, just move forward to step number 3. Step number 3, you just press the fraction button, which is on the top, and finally, which should give your answer in fraction, which is 1/3 or 1/3. Let's look at another example. Let's say we have 0.233333333 recurring. So 0.23 recurring. Just go on with the same step or the procedure. Step number 1, type in the problem. We have 0.23333333 recurring. 0.23 recurring. So type in as many trees as you can. Step number 2, just press the equal sign, and then you should still get your answer in decimal. Without pressing any button, move on. Step number 3, you just press the fraction button, which should finally give your answer in fraction, which is 7/30. Now, take note that in the exam room, time may be very crucial, and there's some questions that require working out, and there's some questions that doesn't require working out. For the ones that doesn't require working out, you can just go straight forward and use this method. But for the ones that require working out, you can work it out yourself, and later you can confirm your answer with this method, just to confirm if they are correct or if they are wrong. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked the video, and please make sure to press the subscribe button below.